What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick unboxing video of the Insta360 GO 2 action camera. So let's go ahead and jump into it. This will be a short one. Let's do this. All right, guys, got a unboxing video for you guys. I have the Insta360 here, and this is the GO 2, Insta360 GO 2 action camera. Just got it today. It was delivered by FedEx. I ordered this one. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I purchased this with my own money. Ordered it on the Insta360 website. Oh, shoot. I'm over here turning this off and not reading anything. Jesus, what a bonehead move. Anyway, there you go. Tear that off. Okay, let's take a look here what we got. Some bubble wrap or protective case. Here you have the actual Insta360 GO 2 box. This is my first of this brand, Insta360. I've always used the GoPros, never used the Yi action cameras in the past. And of course, I don't have my knife. All right, I had to go get my knife to do this properly. So this is the 360 GO 2, the second iteration of this camera, and I ordered it, like I said, from Insta360 on the 11th of March. It shipped out on the 17th, and it arrived here at my home in Tampa, Florida on today, March 24th. Took about 6 days before it shipped out, and then I finally got it. So here's the action camera, very tiny, and this is just the base model, or the base package, I should say. With this package, I'm going to be getting the camera. Check that out. A little magnet going on there. And there's a little port there. Or not port, but the magnetic contacts. And this on here just says the back of the camera, dissipates heat, blah, blah, blah. Just a little warning. Open this up. Nice packaging. Like I said, this is my first Insta360 camera, so I hope I'm not disappointed. There we go. All right, so here we have what they include here, the magnet pendant. And so you can wear this around your neck, put this on the inside of your shirt, and let it just hang from your neck. So I like that. That'll come in handy for my street photography videos for sure. And over here we have some instructions. I will probably do a review on this eventually if I get enough interest here. Here's your quick start guide. You get a quick start guide here, waterproofing, what to know. Oh, cool. You get 2 stickers. Check that out. Over here we got the quick start guide. It's in English or in Chinese, from some other languages here as well. Spanish. And here's your warranty card. So this has a 1-year limited warranty. Over here we have, let's see here, what is this? This is, I think they call the easy clip. So you can mount this to your hat, for example, among other places. You have your pivot stand. Put your camera in there. Pivot stand. Gotta see how this works. Oh, it slides off. Slide right in like that. And here, you actually have your charging case, which is very similar to an AirPod case. So let me open this up. Take the camera out. It's got some nice magnets, work really good. Slides right in like that. Check that out. It's making some weird noise, but right here you have a 1/4-inch screw mount, a USB-C Type-C port. You have a small display here. Click to start. And like I said, I don't know everything about the camera. I have to use it, get to know more about it. And here's your charging cable. USB-A to USB-C. And that looks like it is it. So here we have it, the Insta360 II. This camera does not shoot 4K, however, it is maximum resolution on this one is 1440. And it does have some neat, cool features. I just want to do a quick unboxing, show you guys what this camera's like. Oh, by the way, over here on the back of the charging case, you have these two little legs. So this will work like a little tripod. You want to record yourself, place the camera there like so. You're all set. Just wanted to show you guys, before I let you go, one thing here. There's like a hairline crack here in the case. I don't think you'll see it through here, but a little disappointed about that. Not a little, actually quite disappointed. It's right there, all the way down. We'll see how it holds up. And that is gonna do it for this one, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing video on the Insta360 GO 2. I will have some more content with this camera, and I'm looking forward to using it and testing it out. And I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am running behind on a lot of my videos. I have a couple of videos that I'm committed to making, and I'm working hard to get caught up. I just moved to a new home, so I've been really busy packing and moving. Now I'm into the house trying to settle in, so I'll be producing some more videos and content for you guys shortly. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and also I'm gonna have some more e-bike videos coming up, so stay tuned for those as well. Peace out, guys.